Have you ever wondered how your smartphone can recognize your face? Or how those AI assistants like Siri and Alexa understand your commands? Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of neural networks. Neural networks are a powerful technology that mimics how our brains work to process information. They consist of layers of algorithms, kind of like a virtual brain made up of interconnected neurons. When you give it data, like images or voice commands, it learns patterns and can make predictions. For instance, if you show it photos of cats and dogs, it learns to tell the difference between the two. So why should this matter to you? Well, neural networks are behind so many everyday technologies we use and love, from personalized recommendations on Netflix to stunning image enhancements in your favorite photo app. They're the backbone of artificial intelligence, making our digital lives smarter and more intuitive. Here are some key takeaways. First, neural networks improve over time with more data, so the more you use AI tools, the better they become. Second, they require a lot of computing power, which is why cloud technology plays a huge role in their advancement. Keep an eye out for developments in this space, because as neural networks evolve, they'll change not just tech, but our entire experience of interacting with the digital world. This is today's tech update for July 29th, 2025.